Hi, my name's Omar Pemberton, and for this week I'm Wellington's Dr. PMO. Each week we are asking our PMO practitioners for dilemmas or anything they're dealing with that we might be able to help them with just in this short video. This week we have Sophia Moustakim from the MTC. The Manufacturing Technology Centre are based in Coventry, and they develop and prove new innovative manufacturing processes for their clients, so they're really forward thinking as a company. What they want is to network with other PMOs, not just PMOs globally or more generally, but actually the ones in their own area. So we have some tips and advice on how to connect with other people. The first one is our PMO Practitioners LinkedIn group. It's an exclusive group for people who have been through our course, and it's really there in place for us to give more information, more reading material about the content of the course, as well as new things that might be coming up. We also give people opportunity to do things like this, give us their dilemma or help us with our next pilot course. Within that, we can absolutely ask from a regional perspective which PMOs would like to be involved and maybe organise a small event. So Sophia, get on there, actually ask people and see what responses you do get. The second one is more from an industry perspective. The Association for Project Management has a PMO specific interest group, and that group does a lot of different events which are tailored specifically to PMOs. Within that, we work with the branches. So within the APM, there's branches and there's specific interest groups. The branches are very regionalised. So actually you can and are able to attend APM evening events. If you're a member, they're free, and if you're not, they only cost £10. So it's a really cost-effective way of meeting people who have the same interests of you who are in your area. Alternatively, the other thing you could do with PMO SIG is actually host an evening event. We do them at lots of different companies in the evenings. So it's 2 hours, and it will actually bring lots of different PMO people to your own area. Then lastly, the LinkedIn and Twitter. So more general, there are lots and lots of groups of PMO out there already. People like the PMO Global Alliance are very global, whereas PMO North tend to be focused in the north, east and northwest of the country. There's lots out there, so do a search. Look for PMO groups on LinkedIn, look for hashtag PMOT on Twitter, and I'm sure you'll find lots of people to talk about. Again, at Future PMO, we will remind you each week, we are going to be giving people face-to-face appointments. So you will actually be able to sit in front with one of our specialists, both myself and people within Wellington, and even people who are coming over from abroad who are actual PMO specialists. So you'll be able to get lots of really good advice, and if you do have a dilemma, do get in touch and tell us what it is, and we'll see if we can help. Thank you.